Boom everyone, welcome back to another awesome cool rocky video on YouTube, Auditor Beaster. So guys, I'm making a video after 2 months and I came back today with a Pokemon card pack opening, and I got this from Talal for only 30 pieces. So I'm gonna be unboxing that today. So let's check on these cards. So I'm not gonna look at them, and if it's like below 100, I'm gonna just skip. So first we have a Palkia V. It's a 220. It's not bad, I'll say it's a good. Let's see the next one. Guys, a big step up. It's a tag team Mega Sableye and Tyranitar. It's a 220 GX. That's really cool. Now let's check the other one. Guys, it's a Crobat V. I'm getting good cards. My luck is very good right now. Okay. A Drampa 210. I would say it's a good, but the ratings kinda messed up, but I'll skip, so it's not kinda that good. Flygon V. This is cool. So this will be a good. Another V, Luminion. It's a V. We're getting V's a lot. It's a Simisear. It's a V. Okay. Guys, we'll get something different. Trust me. Oh my god. It's a Guzzlord GX, guys. It's so cool. Look at it. It's real, guys. It's dark blue in color. The texture is also not fake. Sableye. It's a V, 170. I guess it's cool. Let's check the next one. A Decidueye V, 220. Yeah, and the power 100. Yeah, cool. Guys, finally, let's go. It's a Dialga V Star 280. No, it's way so cool. Guys, look at it. It's literally 224. It's literally 260 plus. Oh my god, guys, this is definitely good. Come on. Please. Let's go. Again, we got a Samurott V-Star 270. 110 plus. What can be better? This is so cool, guys. This is awesome. Now we're going to be checking the next one. It's a Slowbro V. A very weird name, but I guess it's okay. And now this is a GX Salamence. This is also good, not arguing. 200, very good. My hands are hurting, so I'll just show like this. Raichu GX. Guys, this is cool. It is guys, it's 200 plus. Wait, it's more than 400. 160 plus 120. 160 plus 120 is 280. Yeah, it's 300 plus. It's 300 plus. Next one we got is a Morville. It's a 170 and a 110 plus. Kind of good, I guess. I'll just keep that there. It's a Reshiram and Charizard tag team. Yeah, 270. It's a literal 430. It's 460 plus damage, guys. That's really cool. Now the next one. It is a Alolan Persian GX 200. 120. It's still good, not gonna lie. Oranguru. Not that surprising. It was 30 multiply damage. It would be cool, but since not, I guess it's a skip. Genesect GX 180. Yeah, this is at least more than good. Guys, it's a Magikarp and Wailord 300. This is a 190 damage. This is really good. I'm gonna keep this here. We're getting good cards. Mew. Wait, it's a Mew. 30 multiplied X ball damage. Yeah, Mew, guys, anything, bro. Wailord. We just got a tag team Magikarp and Wailord. We got Wailord himself. 120 multiplied, guys. That's so good. We are keeping this here. I'm so happy, guys. Tortonator GX 190. It's a 180. Still. No arguing. I got a Aerodactyl GX 210. Oh guys, this one is like this thing 210, more than 210 multiply damage. Shaman V. Oh, it's a 60 plus, 90 plus. Not that good to be honest. Greninja. Oh, 230 GX. This is cool. Yeah, guys. So this is 110 definitely. This is a Raichu V 200. Still good. 60 multiplier damage. We got this thing. It's a Hisuian Nestler V 190. It's a 80 multiplied. A big step up. And the last card we have is definitely Arceus V-Star 280. We ended up with such a legendary good card. V-Star, we did not get V-Maxes sadly, but I'm still surprised that the shop nearby me has 30 cards for them. If you want to get it, if you live near qusais 1 and near to our Paramount restaurant Talal supermarket, you will literally get these. Ask them, they will literally give you. Thank you guys. See you next time.